So a lot of cloud cover across the area this evening, but as I've been saying, the rain coverage continues to decrease now that the sun angle is getting lower, and it won't be long before most areas are dry for tonight. Still some pretty decent rain, though, over into Cock County. This is I-40 going into North Carolina. Some of that rain up into Greene County as well. That's pretty moderate to heavy, but that's moving to the east and back towards central part of our viewing area, right down through the valley. Some light rain in and around Knoxville, up into Union and Claiborne counties, and some very light rain in southern Fentress. But again, this will wrap up pretty quickly over the next couple of hours. Even look at the rain really falling apart there between Nashville and Huntsville and even south of that as well. So let's kind of get an idea of where we're going from right now at 6 o'clock, and I'll stop it again right about 11 o'clock tonight. So most areas should be dry. A little bit of rain up towards the Tri-Cities, the I-26-81 corridor area, and then mainly quiet overnight tonight. Maybe a few clouds lingering. Yes, I think that's certainly a possibility, but should be a dry start to our Saturday morning. Notice I said start, right? We're in the low 60s, about 63 for Knoxville, Maryville, 62 Newport, Morristown, and Gatlinburg, and 61 in Crossville. So pretty close to average for this time of year. One thing you'll really start to notice tomorrow, a little more humid. The air you can wear feel, but I guess it's about time, right? We're heading towards mid-May. So Saturday in the sticky category. But by later Sunday into Monday, notice how it goes back down? I'll explain why coming up here in just a minute. Let's talk about Saturday first. I mentioned the rain opportunities. First half to maybe 2/3 of the day is our best opportunity. I'd say just past lunchtime into early afternoon. Now, this model is painting quite a bit of rainfall in some spots. This is lunchtime, and then it dives southward into early afternoon and should be a little quieter late. I believe the timing of that, we'll see if the intensity is the same, but I do expect it to be a little quieter tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. This is 7 p.m. through 11 p.m., and that's why I think the majority of our Mother's Day should be okay. Low to mid 80s for high temperatures, so a little warmer on Sunday, but should be more clouds than sun, if that makes sense. There'll be a peak here or there, but could lead to a very slim chance of an afternoon or evening shower. I think the better bet's going to be overnight. Storms Prediction Center rather has us in a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe storms, basically the northern 2/3 of our area, with the greatest concentration or possibility even of severe storms from about Evansville, Indiana to Lexington, Kentucky. And this would be overnight Sunday into early Monday. Regardless of whether there's a severe threat, I do think there'll be some rain overnight Sunday into Monday, and some of this could be heavy. This is 7 o'clock right through about midday, and then this whole batch will slide southward and looks a little cooler and drier as we go later into Monday, and especially the first couple of days, Tuesday into Wednesday. Notice the morning lows. They'll be in the 50s compared to 60s and daytime highs, upper 70s close to 80, which is about average for this time of year.